Oh guys, jadi tadi itu ada beberapa kesalahan teknis di live kita yang pertama karena mouse-nya itu nggak bisa digerakin guys ya. Jadi sekarang masalahnya udah teratasi dan kita bakal ulang live-nya dari awal ya guys ya. Jadi aku minta maaf banget karena tadi itu aku juga nggak tahu tiba-tiba bisa gitu ya guys ya. Jadi kita langsung aja ke dalam gamenya guys ya. Kita start a new game aja guys.
Tommy Vercetti? Shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out. He kept his head down. Helps people forget. People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny? Treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town, okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit.
Times are changing. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down to do the dirty work for us and cut ourselves a nice, quiet slice, okay? Who's our contact down there?
Ken Rosenberg, schmuck of a lawyer. How's he gonna hold Vassetti's leash?
We don't need him to. We just set him loose in Vice City. We give him a little cash to get started, okay? Give it a few months. Then we go down. Pay him a little visit, right? See how he's doing.
Hey, guys, it's Ken Rosenberg here. Hey, great, hey. Well, I'm gonna drive you guys to the meet, okay? Now, I've talked to the suppliers, and they are very keen to start a business relationship. So, if all goes well, we should be doing very nicely for ourselves, which is, good. Okay, so they're brothers, okay? One operates the business, and the other one does.
Jadi guys, aku udah lama banget gak main game ini guys ya. Terakhir itu aku main ini pas masih SMP kalau nggak salah guys ya. Jadi udah lama banget guys. Jadi grafiknya itu guys masih gak realistik ya guys ya. Grafiknya itu masih agak kayak boneka gitu guys. Terus masih kasar gitu teksturnya guys ya. Tapi dulu ini game udah paling hebat banget sih, tahun 2002 ya guys. BTW buat kalian yang belum subscribe di channel ini, kalian boleh subscribe ya guys ya. Tapi kalau nggak mau juga nggak apa-apa sih guys. Wow, uang. Sebelumnya aku juga minta maaf karena tadi ada masalah di gamenya guys ya. Jadi kita harus ngulang live-nya guys. Oke guys. Semoga kali ini nggak ada masalah yang sama guys ya. Oke guys, buat kalian yang udah gabung, kalian boleh share ke semua grup kalian ya guys ya. Oke, jadi udah bisa. Aku mau ngatur ini dulu. Suara gamenya kekecilan guys ya. Oke. Oke guys, udah bisa guys ya. Oke, lanjut. Kita matiin musiknya dulu. Ini nanti bakal kena copyright guys. Bahaya ini guys. Oke. Kita aktifin apa kayaknya lah. Kita aktifin subtitle aja. Oke, aman. Klaksonnya itu masih jadul banget ya guys ya. Tips. Aku nggak ngelihat, sorry ya pak ya, sorry pak. Oke, kita bakal parkir dengan perfect ya guys ya. Oke, perfect banget. Wow, perfect banget kan guys. Oke, nggak bisa lagi. Oke, bisa. Buat kalian yang baru gabung, bantu share ya guys ya, biar banyak yang nonton ya guys ya. Oke, kita simpan dulu guys. Oke. Jadi ini rumah kita guys ya. Namanya sih di GTA ini namanya safe house ya guys. Istilahnya itu safe house. Oke.
Hello, Sonny.
Tommy, it's been too long. I know, you're just overwhelmed with emotion. 15 years.
Seems like only yesterday. I guess that's a perspective thing.
Hey, doing time for the family is no piece of cake, but the family looks after its own, okay?
Kalau misalnya suara kekecilan atau kebesaran coba kalian bilang di komen ya guys ya, karena aku juga nggak bisa tahu kalau
Harry and Lee are dead.
suara game dan suara aku itu seimbang ya guys ya. Coba kalian
No,
komen
Sonny.
di
I
bawah
don't
guys
have
ya.
the money.
Nanti aku bakal lihat komen kalian di layar atas ini.
You better not be screwing me, Tommy, because you know I'm not a man to be screwed with.
Wait, Sonny. You have my
Oke,
personal assurance
orang-orang
I'm gonna get
mafia
your
ini
money
memang
back
susah banget
and
sih
the
guys ya.
drugs, and I'm gonna mail you the dicks of those
Teman bisa
responsible.
jadi
I already
musuh
know
guys.
that. You're not a fool, Tommy,
Dan
but I
orang-orang
know
itu serakah ya guys ya.
am I.
Jadi kalian jangan
If
jadi
it was
mafia guys
anybody
ya.
else, you'd be dead already. But because it's you, because we got history, I'm gonna let you handle this.
Look, Sonny,
Gaspol, oke, gaspol om.
Be in touch.
Oke guys, kita lanjutkan guys ya. Kita naik mobil yang lama aja guys, karena nanti kita ditangkap polisi guys. Biarpun itu seperti mobil kita, tapi sebenarnya itu bukan mobil kita guys ya. Itu mobil pemilik hotelnya mungkin. Oke guys, sorry. Aduh. Ngendaliin mobil di GTA Vice City ini memang susah guys ya. Kalau di GTA San Andreas sama di GTA 5 itu gampang banget. Handlingnya itu pas banget gitu loh. Kalau ini susah banget dikendaliin, liar banget ya guys. Oke. Buat kalian yang baru bergabung guys ya, jangan lupa share dan subscribe channel ini biar aku bisa semangat buat video lagi guys.
Is a disaster.
Dan komen di bawah guys, next video kita main game apa.
Come down here and rip my head off. It's ridiculous. I did not go to law school for this. Okay, now what the hell are we gonna do?
shut up, sit down, relax. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. You're gonna find out who took our cocaine, and then we're gonna kill them.
That's a good idea. That's a great idea. Let me think. Oh, there's this retired colonel, Colonel Juan Garcia Cortez. He's the one that helped me set up this deal well away from Vice City's established thugs, okay? Now listen, he's holding his party out in the bay on his expensive yacht, and all of Vice City's big players are gonna be there, okay? I have an invite. Of course I have an invite. But there's no way that I'm going out there, sticking my head out the door. No way,
I
not
told
gonna happen.
you, shut up. I'll go myself.
Oh, whoa. Hey, I like 1978 too, but you know, this isn't gonna be a beer and strippers do. I mean, no offense, but I think that you might turn heads on the runway for the wrong
What's
reasons.
wrong with the way I'm dressed?
Okay, look, here, stop by Raphael's. Tell him I sent you. He'll make you look respectable. Okay, go, come on.
Who does that guy think he is? Now I gotta dress like a chump as well as hang out with them? I like this shirt.
Oke, kita bakal ganti baju guys ya. Naik Vespa aja lah. Kalau nggak salah sih di misi kali ini kita Oke guys, kalau nggak salah sih di misi ini kita bakal ketemu sama pacar kita guys ya. Jadi pacar kita itu namanya Mercedes guys, anak seorang kolonel kaya tapi mafia juga sih dia. Jadi di game ini guys, banyaknya sih kita bakal kerja sama penjahat karena kita sendiri penjahat ya guys ya. Namanya aja Grand Theft Auto, penjahat yang dikendalikan.
Damn, you stepped on my shine.
Nice bike.
Oke, kayaknya kita harus nampak keren di depan pacar kita guys. Jadi kita langsung curi aja motornya guys ya. Apa? Your bike. Kita tabrak dulu orangnya guys. Your bike. It's my bike bro. Hai Pak Polisi, dadah. Oke, harus pakai tikungan tajam. Kan tengok guys, sekali direm dia guys, dia itu bakal bawa balik ke sini. Dia itu bakal bakal geser ke kiri ke kanan loh guys kalau direm. Ini brake-nya tuh nggak bagus banget loh. Nah, gitu dong. Perfect.
Buenas noches. I understand
Nah,
you are here
yang
on the
baju
behalf of
coklat
Mr.
itu
Rosenberg.
guys, bapaknya
The only
pacar
recent
kita
problems
guys ya.
have not affected
Jadi dia
his
ini
health or
kolonel
mental
pemilik
well-being,
kapal
Mr.
pesiar ini guys.
Versetti.
Jadi di kapal ini banyak mafia guys ya.
Excellent.
Mafia yang semuanya itu bakal berhubungan dengan misi-misi kita di depan nanti
It's
guys.
an unfortunate set of circumstances for all involved. Of course, I have initiated my own lines of inquiry, but such a delicate
Buat kalian yang
matter,
mau gabung jangan lupa di share ya guys ya.
perhaps we'll talk later. Meanwhile,
Bantu
let me
share
introduce you.
videonya biar banyak yang nonton guys.
Cara Mia, could you look after
Nah,
our
ini dia
guest
pacar
while I
kita,
tend
guys.
to my necessary
Lumayan.
Of course, Daddy.
Kayaknya nggak mirip sama bapaknya guys ya. Bapaknya tuh agak-agak berjenggot, kalau dia enggak. Emang sih
Anyway,
kalau cewek nggak
let me
berjenggot.
point out some of our more distinguished guests.
Ya udah. Nggak lucu
That's
ya.
our Congressman Alex Shrub with Rising Silicon Star.
Aduh, itu
Ken
vulgar
Sutton.
banget
Met
sih
my
guys.
lovely wife Laura? No? Well,
BTW yang baju biru itu mirip
unfortunately,
banget
she's
dengan
in
Sony
Alabama.
guys.
This is Candy.
And over there,
Tapi Sony agak
we
gemes
have the
sedikit.
Vice City Mamba star Titan, BJ.
Oke,
Always the
oke.
charmer.
I blocked down on him, and then I put him in a wheelchair.
That is good. Well, now,
Yang baru
I'm
gabung
looking at
guys ya,
some prime
bantu share ya.
That poolside amphibian is Jez Torrent, lead singer with Love Fist.
Can I tell
No.
you? Do you know how they play ping pong in Thailand? Let me tell you. It does not involve a paddle, if you know what.
Impotent. And the chatty trio, that sleeping sweat gland is Papa's right-hand gimp, Gonzalez. And the other two are Pastor Richards and pseudo-intellectual film director Steve Scott.
Throws a passion with the Nympho invaders when the giant shark comes in and just bites their dicks off. Now, you never saw anything like that before.
Colonel, your party's as ever a triumph. I can only apologize.
Well, de nada, amigo. How do we find you?
Our business is very trying. Barbarians at the gate. A time for rewarding one's friends and liquidating one's enemies, amigo.
Who's the loudmouth?
Ricardo Diaz, he's Mr. Coke.
Mercedes!
Oh, I was just taking my friend back into town. Another time, Ricardo.
Ricardo,
Jadi sebenarnya Mercedes ini nggak senang sih guys kalau bapaknya itu jadi orang kaya guys. Jadi anak orang kaya itu sebenarnya susah guys ya.
Will you be working for my father?
Maybe.
Do you mind me resting my hand in your lap?
Maybe.
It's so difficult having a rich and powerful father. Vamos.
Oke. I'm sorry. Cantik banget guys. Oh tapi belum pas di ping-pingnya. Oke, cantik banget Oke.
See you around, handsome.
Oke, beautiful.
I'm sure you will.
Kalau di GTA San Andreas biasanya kalau kita nyelesain misi itu ada bunyi teng deng deng deng, tapi di sini nggak ada guys. Atau karena musiknya udah aku matiin guys ya. Kita save atau enggak? Nggak usah guys, langsung aja ke misi selanjutnya guys. Nanti aja di save-nya guys ya. Oke, harus mulus. Oke, mulus banget. Kayaknya di sini ada jalan ya guys ya. Wow. Oke, ya kan? Oke, langsung aja dengan kerennya keluar dari mobil dengan cara yang tidak biasa guys.
Ah, well, I hope you're having a good time, because I'm going out of my mind with worry here. What did you find out?
That there are more criminals in this town than in prison. We need a lead from the streets.
Okay, let me think. Ah, I got it. Okay, there's this limey, some music industry slimeball. Goes by the name of Kent Paul. Anyway, he's got his nose so far up most of Vice City's ass that if anybody knows the whereabouts of 20 keys of coke, it's this guy, all right? He's always at the Malibu.
I'll go pay him a visit.
Take it
Guys,
easy now.
jangan lupa guys yang baru gabung bantu share ya guys ya. Oke, mobil aja guys. Itu Vespa lambat banget. Itu suara motor kayak suara nyamuk guys ya. Oke. Waduh. Cepet. Oke, mobil kita udah mulai berasap, artinya ini udah nggak baik lagi guys ya. Oke, turun. Langsung ke dalam.
Where'd you pop up from? I've been looking for a bird like you for ages, mate. You know why I am?
Looking for
Ini
some
cowok
English
gatal
guy.
kayaknya guys ya.
Paul. Ken Paul, mate. Yeah, I'm the governor around here. I'll sort
Ken
things
Paul,
out. No,
Ken
and I'll
Paul.
treat you whatever you want, I'll get you, girl. Don't you
Alah, bacot.
Get lost, honey.
Ini ngeri banget sih gombalannya
Oi.
ini. Ini modusnya ngeri banget sih
Ken
orang.
Paul, I'm a friend of
Mukanya tuh
Rosenberg's.
muka-muka orang
Rosenberg.
gatal gitu guys.
Rosenberg. Oh, that bonkers ambulance chaser. That guy could
Dan
defend an
muka-mukanya
innocent
tuh kayak
man all the
muka-muka
way to
penipu
death
juga
row.
guys ya.
Get another drink, bruv.
Everybody's a comedian. Listen to me. I'm missing 20 keys and a lot of cash.
Drugs, mate. It's a mud's game.
What do you know about it?
Oi, well, what I was coming to was, there's some chef come trumpet shifter who deals that kitchen of a hotel on Ocean Drive. He's been looking real pleased with himself lately. You could go and check him out.
I will. And I'll be seeing you around.
Oke.
Yeah, that's right. Go and walk away, you mug. I knock you spark out. Give me a drink. And where's that slut?
Kalau udah malu sih orang biasanya kayak gitu guys ya. Sok nantangin gitu. Langsung ke poinnya guys. Jadi kalau nggak salah di sini ada untuk ini guys. Seru banget itu loh. Oke, keren banget anjay. Tapi harus cepat sih. Oke, harus cepat ngendaliin ya guys ya. Kalau nggak nanti ini bisa meledak guys. Awas kalian, lama banget sih geraknya. Oke, kalau nggak salah di sini kita bunuh orang ya guys ya. Oke.
Hey, what you looking at? You better start talking. Hey, make me, you prick.
Eps.
Prick!
Mati kau. Oke.
Oh, way to go, tough guy.
Tadi kayaknya dia nggak capek, guys. Tiba-tiba udah capek aja.
That should make him real
Ini nggak jelas
You
banget.
want some too? Hey, chill.
Oh ini lance,
I want what you want,
lance,
brother.
lance.
What's that?
You're green, and my
Lance.
dead brother's white lady. Unfortunately, you just silenced our lead.
Accidents happen. Get lost.
Hey, whoa. No need to go all Lone Ranger on my ass. The way I see it, we two hombres in a strange town. We need to watch each other's back.
My back's just fine, brother.
You sure about that? Here, take this. Follow me.
Kayaknya aku harus bunuh mereka ya guys.
This way.
Oke, langsung bunuh aja. Aduh, dapat bintang lagi guys.
One thing you gotta realize about this town, you gotta pack some heat. Local gun shop's a couple of blocks away.
Yeah. Jadi guys, di game ini sebenarnya ada cheat ya guys ya. Tapi cheatnya itu kata-katanya kepanjangan loh guys ya. Misalnya ngilangin bintang itu tadi, kita harus ngetik leave me alone itu kepanjangan guys. Jadi selagi kita dikejar-kejar polisi kita langsung ditangkap guys ya. Kita lagi ngetik kita langsung ditangkap guys. Oke. Bahkan untuk cheat armor aja guys ya, kita harus nulis Precious Protection itu panjang banget ya guys. kita beli yang mahal sebenarnya guys, tapi kita nggak punya uang, jadi kita beli pistol aja guys ya. Save button to buy. Oke, save. Save lagi. Oke, kita kehabisan uang. Kita punya pistol sekarang guys ya. Jadi guys, buat kalian yang baru gabung guys, jangan lupa buat di subscribe dan share videonya guys, biar aku tambah semangat buat video untuk kalian guys ya. Sorry. Oke.
I'm gonna go see what I can dig up. I'll be watching you, Tommy.
Bantu share guys ya, biar banyak yang join kita guys. Oke, save lagi.
Do I know you?
Maybe. Ada polisi, nggak ada polisi. Oke, curi mobil guys. Ada polisi anjay. Lari. Kalau nggak salah di sini ada penghilang bintang ya guys. Oh nggak ada. Ini polisi. Oke, aman. Pak polisinya baik banget sih guys.
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. You gotta give him a ring, man. Set up a
Leo.
deal, you know?
Sebenarnya sih namanya ini
You
Leo
okay,
atau
Leo? You sound kinda different.
oh jadi dia
Tell me who you
mikir
are.
dia
Who the
ini
hell is this?
Leo.
Put Leo on, man.
Leo's gone away for a while. He left
Oh
me in
ya,
charge.
ya.
Screw you, man.
Oke, langsung aja guys.
Oh, for God's sake, it's you. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna need new pants. Hey, those psychos from up north, they've been on the horn, and they're coming down here soon. Now, where is the goddamn money?
Relax. We're not at that part yet.
Oh, I thought that you were taking care of this. I really did. And now those Guidos say we gotta do them a favor.
You mean I gotta do him a favor?
Oh, of course that's what I mean. Do I look like I can intimidate a jury? I couldn't intimidate a child, and believe me, I've tried. Now look, it's either that or Forelli's cousin Giorgio gets 5 years for fraud. You gotta take these guys out.
I understand. Help the jury change their minds. Don't worry about it.
No! I tried that. The jury case didn't go so well. So make them change their minds.
Dia tuh udah kayak bos guys ya.
What did I do wrong in a past life?
Oh, aku ingat ini guys. Kita bakal mukul mobil orang guys. Ini seru kayaknya guys. Oke, kita cari tempat yang paling dekat dulu guys. Yang paling dekat itu di bawah guys. Jadi kita kesana aja dulu. Oke. Ini mobil kayaknya nggak ada tenaga guys. Kayaknya aku tadi ke atas guys ya. Aduh. Udah deh nggak apa-apa guys. Kok malah jadi ke atas ya guys? Jadi guys, kalian tetap stay at home ya guys ya, jaga kebersihan kalian karena pandemik corona ini masih belum selesai guys. Jadi kalian harus tetap jaga kesehatan kalian guys. Jangan sampai kalian kena sakit ini guys ya, karena bahaya banget. Habis kau. Mana lagi? Kita lompat aja guys ke atasnya. Mana lagi? Belakangnya. Depannya guys, depannya. Kayaknya dia capek guys ya.
I can't believe this is happening. You remember Giorgio? You remember he's innocent?
Cuman itu guys. Satu lagi guys ya, di atas. Kirain tadi motor guys, ternyata itu Vespa guys ya. Oh ini motor guys. Enggak, jangan, itu terlalu lambat motornya guys. Aku cari motor yang kencang guys, tapi dari tadi nggak ada guys ya. Aduh. Ih, licin banget sih itu rumput. Anjay. Yeah. Aduh, aku nggak ngeliat jalan lagi guys. Sorry. Oke, satu lagi guys. Ini kayaknya ini dibunuh ya guys ya. Langsung guys. Okay.
Leave my damn car alone, man.
You got no class,
Yo, man, I still got payments to make on this. Oh, please, God. Someone help.
Keluarlah. Kau tuh bencong kali. Oke, misinya selesai guys. Kita ke misi selanjutnya langsung ya guys ya. Jadi misi di GTA Vice City itu singkat-singkat ya guys ya. Kalau di GTA 5, GTA San Andreas tuh ribet banget sih misinya guys. Jadi kayaknya dalam 2 hari ini bisa tamat ya guys. Ada telepon.
How's the suntan? I ain't got no suntan.
We ain't got my money.
Santan.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the money, Sonny. Don't worry.
I am worrying, Tommy. That's my style because I seem to have this problem in my life with unreliable people. Don't be an unreliable person, Tommy. Please do us both a favor. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
Oke, lanjut. Ntar guys ya, aku
Avery,
ngambil
goes without saying.
sesuatu.
Tommy, any progress? No. Tell me later. Tommy, this is Avery Carrington. I believe you met at the party?
Not in person.
Howdy.
Avery here has a proposition.
Haven't we got other things on our mind?
I'm trying to keep the wolves from the door. So could you please cut me some slack? I'm stretched like a wire, and even if I'm dead by the end of the week, I'd like to think that I didn't die poor.
Now just calm down, both of you. Son, you help me, and any greaseballs giving you a hard time, I'll see to it they take a long dirt nap.
Okay. What can I do for you?
This delivery company's got its depot on some prime land. They won't sell. They're hanging on like a big old prairie rat. So we gotta go in there and smoke that vermin out. Head on down there and stir up a hornet's nest. The security will have their hands full, and then you can sneak in and put them out of business.
And you could drop by Raphael's for a change of clothes. You might be there a while, but yeah, go for it.
Should be a riot.
If the balls drop like they should, stop by my office sometime.
Who are these pricks anyway? Lawyer pricks, rug-wearing pricks, surrounded by pricks.
Ini kerjanya ngebual terus guys. Bentar guys ya, aku mau ngatur sesuatu dulu guys. Bentar ya. Yo. Ini jaringan lambat banget guys. Bentar ya. Bentar ya guys, aku ada yang mau diatur dulu guys, bentar. Bentar beberapa menit aja nih, nggak sampai 10 menit kok. Oke guys, bentar ya. Bentar guys ya. Bentar aja, bentar. Oke, udah bisa kayaknya nih. Oke, kita langsung ke dalam gamenya lagi guys. Sepertinya gamenya crash ya guys ya. Bentar ya guys ya. Sorry ada gangguan tadi guys. Oke, langsung aja. Sorry guys, tadi itu ada gangguan guys. Dan kita harus ngulang lagi misinya ini guys. Tapi nggak apa-apa sih, biar seru. Tapi kita skip aja videonya guys ya, karena tadi tiba-tiba crash loh gamenya. Lagi seru-seru main tiba-tiba crash lah, itu nggak enak banget gitu. Oke guys. Ada telepon guys.
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. Gotta give him a ring, man. Set up the deal, you know?
Where are you now?
You okay, Leo? You sound kinda different.
Just tell me where you are.
Who the hell is this? Put Leo on, man.
Leo's gone away for a while. He left me in charge.
Screw you, man.
I'm the homie that was born to be cool.
Oke, tadi ini misi udah ya guys ya. Jadi langsung aja guys. Dan aku ngerti. Oke. Jadi sebenarnya guys, trik untuk game ini, cara cepatnya itu tinggal ketik aja Big Bang ya guys ya. Big Bang. Itu biar langsung meledak gamenya guys. Karena tadi udah selesai misi ini guys, jadi kita nggak usah ngerjain lagi.
I can't believe this is happening.
Remember, guilty is a dirty word.
Oke. Kita tiba-tiba udah di sini dan mission passed. Duh, lemah banget sini Tommy Facility. Oke. Kita bakal ke tempat Leo lagi, guys. Jadi di game ini cuman ada 2 kota ya guys ya. Dan kotanya itu kecil banget guys, nggak seluas di GTA San Andreas dan di GTA 5 guys ya. Dan aku nggak tahu guys kenapa orang tuh jarang banget main GTA 4. Tapi sesuai pengalaman aku sih ya, waktu aku download yang orinya guys, GTA 4 itu agak berat ya guys ya. Jadi kita harus ngubah dulu strukturnya di dalam biar jadi ringan gamenya guys, karena itu lebih berat loh guys main itu daripada GTA 5 di laptop aku guys, dan aku nggak tahu kenapa, tapi kayaknya memang di semua laptop GTA 4 itu berat guys ya, daripada GTA 5. Kayaknya di GTA 5 itu udah ada optimisasinya guys. Sama dengan Naruto Storm 4 guys ya. Naruto Storm 4 itu kan udah ada apanya, udah ada penstabilnya guys, biar pengoptimisasinya supaya gamenya tuh ringan guys ya. Sebenarnya itu nggak penting dibahas sih, ngapain juga aku bilang itu guys. Oke, kayaknya ini kerja kita bakal ada di apa? Tukang-tukang gitu guys, atau golf? Oh main golf, golf ya atau? Oh bukan ya, yang tukang-tukang itu guys. Cepat banget jatuhnya, Jai. Oke. Satu, dua, ayo, tiga. Responnya lama banget loh guys ya. Oke. Aku kayaknya harus pakai pistol. Ayo. Aduh. Ih, 48 lagi. Gimana sih ngancurinnya nih? Kayaknya ininya tuh. Oke, mantap jiwa. Ayo lari. Oke, kita berhasil guys menyelesaikan misinya. Aduh, kita mati kayaknya guys. Oke, kita mati guys. Jadi kita udah ngebuka misi baru guys ya. Jadi dari orang yang baru, namanya tuh dari A guys. Aku nggak tahu itu siapa. Oke, kita naik ambulans langsung aja guys. I'm sorry. Ini bingung banget sih ngendarain mobilnya. Oke, turun dulu. Ada teleponnya guys ya.
Hola, is this Mr. Versetti?
Yeah.
This is Cortez. You were at my party?
Yeah, I remember.
Mr. Versetti, it was a most unfortunate incident that happened with your business deal.
I know.
I want you to know me and my people are doing their utmost to get to the bottom of it. If you'd like to talk to me more privately, you can find me at
Oke, jadi kita dapat misi baru lagi dari kolonel tadi guys ya.
Give us some money.
Bapaknya pacar kita guys. Oh ini kayaknya misi yang nggak tahu juga ya.
Come in and park yourself on the hide,
Oh
son.
bukan, berarti bukan ini
Hell,
guys.
my daddy used to say, never look a gift horse in the mouth.
Kiranya tadi misi
By
yang
golly, he never did.
main helikopter remote itu
Like a
guys.
drop of the old Kentucky.
No thanks.
A clean thinker. I like that. Now, the property business isn't all about highfalutin paper pushing. It's about dirt and the will to claim that dirt. You with me, son?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I need some tenacious bastard to let go of some dirt. And you look to me like the kind of guy to persuade him.
Persuasion's my forte.
Yeah, he'll be down at the country club, down on the golf course. They don't allow
Buat kalian yang
guns,
baru
so his
gabung guys, jangan lupa
bodyguards
buat
won't be
di
packing
share
laws.
videonya guys ya, dan jangan lupa subscribe biar
Here
aku
now,
makin
I got
semangat
you a
buat video
membership.
guys ya.
And boy, you're gonna
Dan
need more appropriate clothing.
dan
This guy's
ya,
my new friend.
you know lah.
I never had a friend with a wig before.
Oke, kita kayaknya bakal main golf ya guys ya. Kita main golf untuk bunuh orang yang ada di tempat golfnya guys. Kelewatan. Tinggal belok sini aja, ke sini. Oke, kayaknya kita bakal jadi kakek-kakek ya guys ya.
Is this me?
Nice ass, baby.
Mantap juga ya bajunya. Oke, sekarang kita bakal pura-pura main golf ya guys ya. Padahal tujuan kita tuh untuk bunuh orang sih. Oke. Ini mobil kayaknya kencang. Kalau nggak salah ini mobil namanya Comet ya guys ya. Tapi nanti kita pakai ya. Oke. Gimana cara bunuhnya biar cepat guys ya? Kayaknya ditembak aja guys. Kita nggak punya senjata nih. Kalau udah masuk sini kita nggak punya senjata dan oke, kita punya ini. Kita bakal pukul dia aja guys ya. Cara cepatnya itu guys nggak bisa juga ya. Bentar, aku harus sebenarnya ini harus pakai senjata guys ya. Tapi ya udah, kita barbar aja guys. Kita langsung ke atas dan ajar.
Boys, deal with him.
Ips.
Do that, psycho. Please, after you.
Ips, cepat. Aduh. Ayo dong, berdiri dong. Ayo dong, cepat dong. Ayo dong. Ayo. Aduh, harus ngejar pakai mobil kayaknya, guys. Kalau ada senjata nih gampang banget sebenarnya, guys.
This car is extremely valuable, idiot.
Sinilah. Aduh.
I can still move.
Aduh. Sebenarnya cara burunya ini gimana ya? Kayak harus dengan kecepatan tinggi gini, guys. Oke, dia masuk dalam air dan kita mendapatkan misi kita, guys. Kita menyelesaikannya, guys ya. Oke, dan selesai gitu aja. Tabrakin ke laut dan dia mati. Ada telepon lagi.
Get to the payphone next to the mall in Washington.
Oke. Tapi nanti aja lah. Kita mau ke C dulu, guys. Buat kalian yang baru gabung guys, jangan lupa buat di subscribe dan di share videonya guys ya. Dan buat kalian yang nonton juga, kalian komen di bawah selanjutnya kita main game apa guys ya. I'm sorry. Kita ke C atau ke A? Kayaknya ke penyimpanan dulu guys. Kita harus simpan game dulu. Oke. Dan buat kalian yang baru gabung, jangan lupa buat subscribe dan share videonya guys ya. Biar aku tetap buat video buat kalian guys. Kalau kalian subscribe kan aku bakal senang gitu loh. Dan aku semangat buat video buat kalian guys. Oke, simpan dulu ya. Oke. Kita ke C aja guys ya. Ke tempat mertua kita, calon mertua kita guys. Karena kalau kita menghiraukan panggilannya guys, kita nanti nggak bakal dapat restu buat pacar kita guys ya. Ayo. Oke, kita sampai di tempat mertua.
Mr. Versetti,
Colonel.
thank you for coming. Please sit. Lobster.
No, thanks.
I am ashamed to admit that one of the causes of our mutual problem appears to have been the loose tongue of a man I used to trust. I've been carrying Gonzalez for years, but now his incompetence reaches new heights. It's only right that you kill Gonzalez.
Did he do it? It's the money that's important to me.
For this kindness, I'll reward you. And then, we will find your money together. He will be at his penthouse, half drunk probably. Use this.
Makan kacang dulu guys ya.
Get through this one, baby.
Oke, kita bakal bunuh Gonzales guys. Di situ nggak ada jalan. Dan di GTA Vice City ini guys, kita nggak punya cheat uang guys ya. Kalau di GTA San Andreas tuh cheat uang, cheat darah, dan cheat buat armor juga itu disatuin di cheat Hesoyam ya guys ya. Tapi kalau di sini ini nggak ada cheat buat uang. Bahkan untuk cheat nyawa dan cheat armor itu dipisahin guys. Tapi kali ini kita nggak bakal nge-cheat biar mainnya jauh lebih seru gitu guys ya. Lebih realistik. Lebih realistik. Oke. Itu cantik banget gitu loh. Oke, di sini aja. Oke. Maunya tadi aku beli pistol guys ya. Kalau pakai pistol lebih gampang bunuhnya kayaknya.
I'm gonna shut that big mouth of yours. He's got a blade. Stop running, you fat slime ball. Away from me, you cheap bastard. Oh, sweet Jesus. I've wasted my life and my looks. Stand still and I'll make it quick.
Get out of my freaking way!
I'll pay you double, dummy. Double. But you're squealing. No one cares, Fatso.
Lari. Oke, kita harus. Dia nyuruh kita ke tempat cat mobil guys. Uips, I'm sorry Pak Polisi. Ini adalah misi dari bapak mertua Pak Polisi ya. Jadi salahkan bapak mertua aku Pak Polisi, jangan salahkan aku. Liar banget sih mobilnya. Dan dan bodohnya di game ini guys, kalau kita hanya cek mobil aja guys, polisi nggak bakal ngenalin kita lagi guys. Misalnya gini, polisi jelas-jelas ada di belakang kita guys, tapi setelah kita cek mobil, mereka nggak tahu guys. Itu benar-benar aneh banget sih ini kan. Tapi di semua GTA kayaknya memang gitu deh. Padahal kan di kacanya kan masih nampak ya guys ya. Nggak ngerti deh. Maaf. Kita kembali kemana ya guys? Kita laksanain misi A aja lah. Oke.
Now look here, son. I got a problem, and I reckon you could help me with it.
I'm no builder.
No, I was thinking more of your demolition skills. Now this is the development as planned, and this is the property that we're looking at.
You're trying to say this new office block is kind of in the way.
You catch on quick. Now I'm gonna head out of town for a while, and if that office development were to face sudden and insurmountable structural problems, then
As a civil-minded individual, you feel obliged to step in and save the rejuvenation of an important area of the city.
Where can I get more guys like you?
Oke. Ini dia guys, misi mengendalikan helikopter ya guys ya. Kalau nggak salah sih, iya, mengendalikan helikopter. Jadi kita bakal ngeledakin barang-barang yang ada di dalam gedung itu guys. Dan nggak semudah kelihatannya guys ya. Oke. I'm ready. Oke, siap. I must santai guys ya. Aku harus santai. Santai, harus santai. Ini adalah misi yang gampang sebenarnya guys ya.
What the
Kita atur kontrol dulu guys ya, nanti bahaya ini guys. In car, mana dia? Bukan ini dia, ini ya. Left itu kita pakai ini udah pas, ini juga. Ini kita tukar ke 6. Ini kita tukar ke 8. Ini kita tukar ke 5. Down up. Ini apa tadi? Ke atas itu tadi 8. Kanan 6, 4. Oke, pas, mantap. Dan yang buat misi ini deg-degan guys, karena dia cuma ngasih waktu 7 menit guys ya, dan itu singkat banget guys. Jadi kita harus menggunakan waktu sebaik mungkin. Mana nih pintunya?
What was that?
Mana guys? Oh. I'm sorry. Itu adalah sebuah mistake yang sangat. Oke, 2 lagi. 5 menit lagi guys waktu kita guys. Harus cepat guys. Dan yang sisanya lagi itu guys ada di atas, dan itu bakal sulit banget ngambilnya ke atas. Oh, itu ada jalan pintas. Oke, kita bakal lewat jalan pintas aja. Eps. Ayo dong, cepat dong. 4 menit lagi guys ya. Kita harus cepat guys. Di sini ada jalan pintas guys. Oh, bukan jalan pintas guys.
Damn, I gotta lay off the pills. I'm seeing shit. Crush kill demolish.
Yang satu lagi itu di mana guys? Ayo dong. Ini.
You want me to drill you?
Satu lagi. Hey Mas, hurry up. Sorry guys, batuk guys. Kayaknya kacangnya udah nyangkut di leher aku guys ya. Oke, 3 menit lagi guys. Ini harus cepat guys ya, harus cepat guys. Ini bahaya banget guys, harus cepat. Waktunya tinggal 3 menit. 3 menit lagi. Aku kok jadi cegukan guys ya. Aku malah jadi cegukan guys. Aku bingung nih. Ayo. Satu lagi. Ayo, satu lagi. 2 menit lagi guys. Ayo guys, ayo cepat. Helikopterku yang kusayangi, ayo cepat dong jalannya. Lama banget sih helikopter.
Some pissant messing around. I'll bust your wise ass toy.
Ayo cepat. I'm sorry. Apes. Oke. Aduh. Kasar. Kalau bawa helikopter tuh harus mulus ya guys ya. Satu lagi di atas, 1 menit lagi, 2 menit lagi maksudnya saya. Oke, ini udah aman banget sih guys ya. Ini udah aman banget dan masih ada guards lagi di situ guys. Oke, gimana caranya ini? Di mana ada? Dia ada di sini. Oke, ayo. Ayo, semangat helikopter. Oke, mantap, jiwa kita berhasil guys. Oke, untuk merayakannya kita makan kacang lagi guys ya. Berhasil guys. Itu easy banget guys. Kita simpan dulu guys karena ini misi yang agak berat juga guys ya. Buat kalian yang baru gabung, jangan lupa buat share videonya dan subscribe ya guys ya. Karena dengan kalian mensubscribe dan share video saya bakal semangat guys. Jadi dari tadi ini penontonnya cuma 67. Bantu share dong guys biar aku bisa lihat angka belasan gitu loh. Oke. Kita ke tempat mertua kita guys ya. Sorry guys. Langsung potong jalannya guys. Oke bapak mertua. Misi apa lagi nih bapak mertua? Meet the courier at the mall. Oke siap. Pinjam mobilmu ya pak mertua. Oh, aku tahu misi ini guys. Ini agak sulit juga guys ya. Ayo di mana pintu masuknya? Ayo. Kita nggak punya senjata apa-apa guys. Karena di sini kita bakal bunuh-bunuhan lagi guys. Oke naik eskalator aja. Lah, nggak naik. Oh naik. Guys bantu saya ya guys ya buat yang baru gabung.